In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time while job hunting on Glassdoor. Smart Workflow 2026. Start by heading to glassdoor.com and signing in so everything you do syncs across devices. Keep this quick. Being logged in unlocks saved searches, easy apply, and personalized insights, which all add up to serious time savings. Next, jump to the jobs section and get your profile job ready. Upload a clean current resume, list your most relevant skills, and set your target job title and location. This prep makes easy apply almost instant because key fields pre-fill for you. If you want to keep your search focused, consider using a dedicated email and even a separate browser profile just for job hunting. That small setup helps you stay organized and prevents notifications from getting lost. Now automate discovery so roles come to you. Create targeted alerts for the exact titles, keywords, and locations you care about, and set high priority ones to daily so you're among the first to see new posts. Follow your top companies so you're notified the moment they publish openings. While you're at it, apply the Easy Apply filter to surface listings you can submit to directly inside Glassdoor, avoiding time-consuming external portals. When you search, work from the preview pane to scan quickly. You can view ratings, salaries, and benefits without opening a new tab, which speeds up triage. Use the Save button on promising roles and process them in batches when you're ready to apply. Before you invest time in an application, check the star rating, the recommend to a friend percentage, and pay data. If those signals aren't close to your expectations, move on and protect your time. Make the most of Glassdoor's newer tools too. The guided chat can surface roles tailored to your background and priorities, which reduces manual filtering. Browse the interview section for common questions at each company so you can prepare faster with targeted practice. And use Know Your Worth to validate compensation ranges early, so you skip roles that don't align. Beyond applying, dig into company reviews to learn how teams work and what they value. Use those insights to build genuine connections with people in the departments you're targeting on professional networks. A warm, informed introduction can put your application in front of the right eyes. Finally, review each job you've saved and decide whether it truly has potential. Use the signals you gathered, role match, ratings, culture fit, and compensation, and move forward only with the ones that meet your criteria. This focused, automated workflow keeps your search fast, consistent, and effective.